Okay, what's up guys? So today we got a Dell docking station, which you can put extra stuff on if you hook up your computer. And we are going to be unboxing it. Okay. Where's the button? I'm just gonna cut the side. Oh, it opens from the side. Okay. Okay. So this is actually brand new. So we're gonna be talking about it. Type-C dock cable, instructions. So it has that. Oh, I have a cord, terms of sale. Holy cow. Here is the humongous power supply. And it's huge. Probably would have to wear this from a thing. Like there's like a thing of popcorn on that. That's a little weird. Okay, so this actually comes with a Type-C cable. Okay. Then here is the actual docking station. So there's a button to turn it on and off. 2 more ports, a headphone jack, another port, HDMI, power supply, 2 more ports for a screen, and then I don't even know what that is. But yeah. Wait, where's that? It's supposed to like flip that out. Oh, you can hear that out. You can unscrew the Type-C thing, and it will come out. Thank you guys for watching to this point, and like, and I will make me testing it.